Hi there, I'm Kenna Hilburn, Chief Operating Officer at Liveclicker. You know that personalized emails have a big return on investment, but do you know how big? In a study we did with the Relevancy Group, they found that for every dollar spent on advanced personalization in email, you can expect to make $20 back. That's a lot. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how advanced personalization enabled by Liveclicker technology makes emails awesome. Not only do we help make email more personalized, engaging, and rewarding, but we make it easy for our customers to add personalization to their campaigns in ways that reduce costs and improve efficiencies. We're used to seeing great websites and flat, uninspiring emails. The technology available for email in the inbox has been pretty limiting. This creates a situation where email becomes outdated and underwhelming. For example, a brand might have a sale and send an email at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, but someone who opens up the email when they get up on the West Coast is out of luck because all of the items that they liked are now sold out. This email does more harm than good in that situation. Or take another example where someone opens up an email to find whether or not their local store is open, but that information has changed since the time that that email was sent, and it hasn't been updated. This customer is going to be disappointed when they realize that the information is wrong and sales will be lost. Marketers report that advanced personalization in email increases revenue 17% over basic personalization tactics like hello first name. In another study, personalized emails deliver 6 times higher transaction rates. The benefits to personalization go beyond revenue too. Personalization can reduce acquisition costs by as much as 50% and increase marketing spend efficiency by 10 to 30%. Some of that efficiency is gained by workflow improvements. When marketers have the opportunity to go deep on personalization, they can reuse components across campaigns and reduce the number of resources they need. Liveclicker dramatically improves email, enabling personalization and interactivity with real-time content at the moment of open. Our platform helps marketers adjust emails at any time, even after they reach the inbox, so that the message is always relevant and impactful. Enterprise brands across industries use Liveclicker to drive results, improve workflows, and be more nimble. Founded in 2008, we are pioneers in video and real-time email content. Liveclicker is 100% focused on personalized and interactive experiences with over 240 customers located in the US, APAC, and EMEA. And we are also a proud part of the CM Group family of brands. We work with innovators in retail, entertainment and gaming, advertising, and financial services. They'll include names you'll recognize, such as Chico's, Ulta Beauty, Bond Brand Loyalty, AT&T, Trusted House Sitters, and Bankrate. Our customers are looking for results and cost savings, and we deliver both. Because we enable real-time, creative, dynamic emails and moment of open personalization, our customers can streamline their workflows and drive increased revenue. Liveclicker is not just a technology, even though our technology is pretty great. Our insanely responsive team provides hands-on support and strategic guidance that has our customers personalizing their campaigns in a matter of hours with the easiest advanced personalization platform on the market. It's intuitive and marketer-friendly, integrates with any tech stack, and doesn't require a lot of technical expertise or an expensive agency to get it running. Take a look as Andy Werner walks us through creating a video and email experience.
Hi everyone, I'm Andy. I'm Liveclicker's Partnerships Director, but I'm also responsible for a lot of the training that happens here. We have 17 different customer experiences that we power, but one thing that I really like about our platform is that no matter what experience that we're configuring, you can always follow the same basic 3-step process that I'm going to show you today for our video and email solution. So if we take a look at this, we have the 3 steps I mentioned, starting with basic settings, where we're going to set the things like dimensions and alt text that are going to be used to form the HTML that you're going to be exporting into your email template. When we move on to step 2, you'll see this is where the magic happens. We're going to be uploading a video today, which we've already done from YouTube, but we have a couple different options. You can use a YouTube link like we did. You can upload a video file from your desktop. You can use a hosted URL. You can even reuse a video campaign that you'd previously used by going into your media library. We have our click-through URL, and below that we have kind of our no opener left behind section. So we have these fallbacks in case an opener's device doesn't support video. will automatically fall back to either an animated GIF or static image depending on where they're opening. And both of these are totally customizable. You can upload your own. You can, like I'm going to show you here, select them from your video. So let's say that you can't create an animated GIF on your own. We can check out your video starting frame, ending frame, and create one for you on the fly. Super easy. When we get down to step 3, we can choose to show different content based on real-time targeting rules, like the opener's local weather, for example, or maybe a date and time if you have a product launch this Saturday and only want a video available after then. And we can even do some testing, one video versus another. So if you're not really sure which one's going to perform better, we can help you answer that question. Moving right along, in the next step, we're going to take a look at our preview. Super easy. See what it looks like to different openers. Send yourself a test. And finally, we can simply export this HTML at the bottom, embed the code into your email template, and you're good to go.
Trusted House Sitters has a great example of innovation in email. They wanted to address people's hesitation with having a stranger in their home. That's a key business challenge, preventing people from deciding to trust the platform and convert. By using a video in their email, they were able to engage their audience and show both sides of their platforms, owners and sitters, discussing the issue head-on. They also invited prospective members to submit questions directly to the existing community. They saw a 2% lift in conversion and over 700 responses received. That was a big win. They told us, quote, "Thanks to the success of this campaign, features such as live video and email have now gained company-wide support. We're excited to continue using similar tactics in our regular communications," end quote. Hot Topic had an even bigger challenge. They were sending emails about products that routinely sold out very quickly. Call volumes were up because customers were complaining that they didn't receive their emails before the inventory was gone. We helped them solve this challenge by designing an email that would change its message depending on inventory availability and remind customers to check in. Their customers stopped calling to complain and instead spent 200% more time in the email so they could be the first to know when inventory was available. Click-through rates also went up nearly 30%. Our customer was delighted, saying, quote, "Ultimately, the best part about using Liveclicker for these campaigns is that it solved for an ongoing problem affecting both customers and the business," end quote. Before working with Liveclicker, our customers don't have the technology to create real-time personalization and gain the benefits from workflow efficiencies. By including Liveclicker in their existing tech stack, customers are able to add improvements to their planned campaigns over time. For example, Ulta Beauty used Liveclicker to personalize their existing year-end loyalty recap email and earned 3 times the revenue versus the standard business-as-usual versions. Trendyol personalized the name on the back of a sports shirt in their existing campaigns and saw 130% lift in conversion rate. Chico's featured a set of changing deals on a single day and used Liveclicker to swap out the offers in each email sent. They saw 2 times the conversion rate versus their average. Torrid used Liveclicker to automate key content blocks during the holiday season to keep information current for customers in every email and reduce production time so much that they were able to add testing and strategy development during a critically busy time in their work cycle. Some email providers do block the location of an opener, but we have ways to work around that to still provide a strong experience at the moment of open and to add to the marketer's data in the process, solving the question of where their customers are over time. Liveclicker is a layer within the email tech stack and works alongside a brand's email service provider as a defined personalization and interaction layer. We are ESP agnostic, which means we are happy to work with any of our customers' chosen ESP. With easy API connections, we are able to pull in and render content from other sources. We use a volume-based pricing model that charges you based on impressions or opens. We also have several plans available for our exceptional support. We use annual contracts and bill monthly. Our onboarding process includes on-the-job training so that our customers are utilizing the platform on day 1. The best audience for this kickoff and onboarding process would be your design and email development managers. We are your partner. We want you to be successful, and we'll work with you every step of the way so that you can be the hero to your business and essential to your team.